The 15 Invaluable Laws of Growth. Live them and reach your potential. Book by John C. Maxwell. See where you want to be. This gives you sustainable growth. Learn how to use your skills that give you growth. Add value in people's life. Self-esteem gives you growth in skills. Be hungry for growth. Sacrifice to use your skills during the growth process. Be successful. Stop comparing yourself with others. Engage in right things and intentionally give your energy on growth. You will have to learn to deal with your uncomfortable emotions. Admit it which things are important for you. Face your problems. Move from your comfort zone. Study great people. They spend long time alone for self-analysis. Law of consistency gives great results. Consistency makes you different. Some process will not give you different result. What is important for you? Teach important things. Move from your comfort zone. What is important to you may not be important to others. Regularly conduct self-analysis and ask who you are and where do you want to be. The law of environment. Your environment controls your decision and your decision determines how far you can go. Analysis of your present environment is very important. Find factors that are not contributing to your growth. Change your mindset and environment. People you communicate daily influence your growth. Create a challenge frequently and set a target to help you in a new environment. Focus on the current situation when paying attention to the future. Don't feel bad when someone gives you negative comments. Daily journaling is very important to develop discipline.